Right guys, welcome to another video. Today we are putting our first bit of Fiesta Files branding on the car. So it is a Sunstrip. I hate Sunstrips, hate them. But I seen one last week. It was kind of subtle, it was colour matched to the car, it was nice, it wasn't in your face. And I thought, oh that's quite nice, maybe I'll. So I mocked one up on Canva, I really liked it, and here we are. Let's do it. So, the plan's simple, obviously. We're going to mark the centre, we're going to get it a wash, and we're going to fit it. This here is obviously already the centre of the windscreen. I think, I've not actually checked, but it looks like the centre, so that's where I'm going to go. Guys, next on the agenda is to spray this soapy water a wee bit, not too much, and then get sticking. That's a bit much, isn't it? Dab, dab, dab. Right guys, looks great, I actually like it. Could be a bit bigger, but for now I like it a lot. Can't believe I'm saying that about a Sunstrip, but here we are. Cut a wee bits to trim, so I'm just going to do that, not because it wasn't made right, because I'm an idiot. Just had a wee visit from Mabel there, and she's reminded me we also have a couple of other stickers to, oh my goodness, to put on the car, so we'll just do that now as well, because why not, we're out here doing adhesive stuff, so let's do it. Stick a wee sticker on. My mother bought me these, so stick them on for her. I mean, it's all cool, isn't it? It's just cool. Sure, that's not the recommended way to stick them on, but well, you know, if they come off, they come off. There we go, mother. Right guys, that's us done for the day. I hope you enjoyed. It's just a wee chill video of the day, very nothing's really happening, you know, waiting on parts and stuff, so I thought we'd get this done. This came in 2 days, custom ordered. I was very impressed. It was by a company called Polyward. Now obviously this isn't sponsored, I've got like drivers. But I just thought I would let you know, because I thought that was amazing. Custom, 2 days. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I recently rejigged all my playlists about, so if you want to go, there's new like steady, it was just one before, now there's like every ST video, every engine swap video, every what will be the track season video, every Puma, etc, etc. So if you want to have a look through them, click up there. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching guys, and I'll see you next week for probably something a bit more exciting. Cheers!